In today's video, we will see how to add 200 EMA in TradingView, means exponential moving average setup. So firstly, you can simple open your desired chart, which one you want and where you want to set EMA for 200. So then after you can simple click on indicator in your top navigation bar. Once you tap on indicator, you can simple type here EMA. Once you type here EMA, you will see here moving average exponential. Once you enable it, here you will see the EMA bar will be open in your left top corner. Now you can simple click on the setting icon in EMA and then here change the length to 200. Now once you set it for 200 and then once I click on OK, you will see a new line will be appear here. Okay, so this is a EMA for 200. Now for mobile view users, you can simple click on three dot in bottom right corner. Then after click on indicators. After that, here you can same type EMA. And once you will find here the EMA, you can simple tap on it. And now at the top left corner of the screen, you will find your EMA will be set. Now again tap on it. Then go to its settings. And inside its setting, you can simple go to input section. And now here select length. After that, once length will be set to 200, you can simple click on OK. So here is how you can easily do it. Goodbye.